Hello, welcome back. So this is chapter 3, that is Vedic age. The term Aryan denotes a superior group. In classical Sanskrit, Arya means a noble man. Troyi is a name for three Vedas, that is Rig Veda, Yajur Veda and Sam Veda. So Rig Veda, Yajur Veda and Sam Veda, they are collectively known as Troyi. The term Varna found in Rig Veda for first time Purush, uh, Purush Sukta. This term was also used in Rig Veda. Okay, so now there are four Vedas: Atharva Veda, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, and Sam Veda. What are the subject matter? Okay, so let's see. Atharva Veda, that deals with medicine, charms, and spells. This is also known as Gopatha Brahman. Then Rig Ved deals with God grace, hymns and prayers. This is Aitroi, Oitriyo Brahman. Then Yajur Ved, it deals with sacrifice process. This is also known as Satapat Brahman. Then Samved, it is deals with musical. Okay, so music, Samved, it is called also called Panch Bisho Brahman. Okay, so Atharva Ved, medicine, charms and spells; Rig Ved, God grace, hymns and lyrics, prayers; and Yajur Ved, sacrifice process; then Sam Ved, music. Atharva Ved is also called Gopat Brahman, Rig Ved is Oitriya Brahman, Yajur Ved is Satapad Brahman, Sam Ved is Panchbisho Brahman. Now, Rig Ved has 1028 hymns and 10,552 mantras. Okay, remember this. Rig Ved has 1028 hymns and 10,552 mantras. Ninth mandala of Rig Veda is completely dedicated to Soma, the god of drink. So this Rig Veda is total has 10 mandalas, and 9 mandala deals with Soma god. He is a god of drink. Then rites and rituals related to yajnas are mentioned in Yajur Ved. Okay, because Yajur Ved deals with charms and spells, so it is basically yajnas, rituals, rites. Okay, next, the earliest evidence of iron use discovered in Atranj Khera. The earliest evidence of iron use discovered in Atranj Khera. The compilation of Samveda is based upon the Rig Veda. Upanishads are books on philosophy, not a religious scripture. It talks about salvation or moksha. The words salvation or moksha actually not used in Veda. Remember that. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in Kathopanishad. Okay, so it's Nachiketa. This Nachiketa was a 12-year-old boy, and he dialogue between him and Yama is noted in Kathopanishad. Each Vedas is divided into 4 parts. The sequential it is Samhita, Brahmans, Aranyak and Upanishad. So remember this sequence. The question was in the sequence, right? Sequence: Samhita, Brahman, Aranyak and Upanishad. Then Sindhu river mentioned most in early Vedic literature. Vedic river Askini is identified with river Chenab. Askini is a Vedic river that is presently it is a Chenab river or Chandrabhaga. Then Vedic river Kubha was located in Afghanistan. Vedic river and modern name. So Kubha इसका modern name Kabul, Purusani इसका modern name Ravi, Sadanira इसका modern name Gandak, then Sotudru इसका modern name Satluj. Then in Mahabharat, Mahanodi was called Chitrotpala. In Mahabharat, Mahanodi called Chitrotpalo. Custom of post-Vedic period, that is Dharma, Artho, Kama, Moksha ब्रह्मचर्य, गार्हस्थ, वानप्रस्थ, सन्यास। तो ये जो दो टू कास्टम्स है दे आर इमर्ज ड्यूरिंग पोस्ट वैदिक पीरियड। रिमेंबर दिस, धर्म, अर्थ, काम, मोक्ष, दिस कास्टम इज ऑफ post Vedic period, and also brahmacharya, garhastha, banprastha and sannyas also belongs to post Vedic period. Among Vedic deities, Brihaspati was believed to be the priest of gods. Lopamudra was a Brahmavadini who composed some hymns of Vedas. During Vedic period, the gold necklace was called as Niska. During Vedic period, the gold necklace is called as Niska, which later used for gold coins. Okay, so one more page. That is Boghaz-Koi inscription found in Turkey is important because it mentions 4 Vedic god names, that is Indra, Varun, Mitra and Nasatyas. Indra, Varun, Mitra and Nasatyas. It tells about movement of Aryan from Iran to India. In post-Vedic period, region of Kuru Panchala was considered as the axis of Aryan culture because here great achievements happened in science, mathematics, astronomy, religion and philosophy. The word Gotra occurs for the first time in Rig Veda. The religion of early Vedic Aryans was worship of nature and yajnas. Famous battle of 10 kings was fought on the bank of Purushni. Then Poni during Rig Vedic period were a class of traders. Sabha, that is assembly with judicial function of Vedic era, was actually council of ministers. So it was an assembly with judicial functions. ठीक है. In Atharva Veda, Sabha and Samiti are called as two daughters of Prajapati. In Atharva Veda, Sabha and Samiti are called as two daughters of Prajapati. Largest number of Rig Vedic hymns are devoted to god Indra. He was most popular. He was famous for war god, and he was the god of thunder and rain. Okay, then second largest hymn is dedicated to god Agni. So if Indra is not in option, then the right answer will be Agni. Gayatri mantra is in Rig Veda, that is composed by Viswamitra. Original name of Mahabharata is Jaya Samhita. In Dharma Shastra page, the concept of untouchability was put clearly. So it is Dharma Shastra page. तो ये कहाँ का था, ये तो नोट नहीं किया मैंने, बाय द वे. फ्रॉम छांदोग्य उपनिषद द वर्ड सत्यमेव जयते हैज बीन टेकन एंड तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय वाज ओरिजिनली मेंशनड इन बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद. सो रिमेंबर दिस, धर्मशास्त्र फेज में कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी को क्लियरली पुट किया गया था, डिफाइन किया गया था, बोला गया था. फ्रॉम छांदोग्य उपनिषद वी एडॉप्टेड द सत्यमेव जयते एंड तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय. दिस फ्रेज adopted from the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Basic script of Rig Veda was in Pali. Not in Sanskrit. The priests of Rig Veda were called Hota. And cow was considered as Aghanya, that means not to be killed. And total number of sanskars ही हम बोलते हैं, संस्कार वार इज 16. ओके, वेद के अनुसार 16 संस्कार आर देयर. द टीचर हु टॉट वेदांगा फॉर लाइवलीहुड वाज कॉल्ड उपाध्याय. द टीचर हु टॉट वेदांगा फॉर द लाइवलीहुड पर्पज इज नोन एज उपाध्याय. ऋग Vedic Aryans used the coat of mail and helmet in warfare, but Harappa people did not or do not show any such evidence of using coat and helmet, etc. So this is the basic difference between Aryans and the Harappan people. कि Aryans used helmet and coat for during warfare, but Harappans did not use such any items. Thank you. So this chapter completes here. Not complete, but yeah, I have noted this few important information on Vedic age that is found in the book PYQ book of Ghatna Chakra. So I hope it has helped you in revising the chapter Vedic age. If really helps it, then do a comment and you can mention how to improve this initiative. And one thing I am trying ki in this way anybody can get a general overview ki what we have to read actually. So first we need to read the Stone Age, then we need to read the what अरे मैं ही भूल गया, तो हाँ हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन, देन थर्ड चैप्टर वैदिक एज। तो एक जनरल ओवरव्यू है, आसानी से मिल जाएगा। बाकी देखो यूट्यूब में तो वीडियोस डिटेल में भरे पड़े हुए हैं, पर वहाँ पर गप्पे होता है, बट वो तो एग्ज़ाम में पूछा नहीं जाएगा ना, क्योंकि बेसिक लेवल की जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग वो वहाँ पर दिया जा रहा है, वो तो सबके अंदर है भाई। हमने पढ़े हैं चीज़ें, बट इतना डिटेल में नहीं पढ़े हैं, और जितना भी पढ़े था वो भूल चुका हूँ, है ना। तो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन को रट के रखना पड़ेगा। तो वो एक ही तरीके से हो सकता है कि आपको बार बार पढ़ना होगा, ठीक है, रिवाइज करना होगा। कॉन्सेप्ट तो आप इजी है ना, कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसा कुछ है नहीं। चलिए तो यहाँ पर हम स्टॉप करते हैं। थैंक यू।